Hey guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how everything works on the steering and on the dashboard on the Haval H6. The vehicle I'm showing you today is the Ultra Hybrid top spec. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support this small channel. I'll leave all the timestamps down below for you to skip forward if you wish to. Alright, this is how the dashboard looks like and this is how the steering looks like on the Ultra H6. This is the top spec available in New Zealand. So right now we have different displays over there. So first display is on your left, that's your speedo and percentage power on the left bottom. In the center, that's your driving assist, like cruise control, emergency braking, things like that, small information. On the right, you get the display panel for your driving information, which you can select. And on the top, you get the time, degree, and underneath, that's your water temperature, plus all your information like your driving information, the vehicle is ready, it's on park. There are some warnings because I'm not wearing seatbelts, or safety lanes, normal driving mode, fuel, and also other small warnings or small settings that's available overall. To change whatever you like on the center screen, there are two ways. One way, we can change this display. Whenever you like, you can just go up and down over here. Once you click that, you can go into the tire pressure monitoring system, shows your tire pressure warnings. If anything's low, it's going to give you indication on the dashboard. Next, we can see the engine speed, so that's your rev counter basically. Next, we have the driving efficiency. Once you start driving, it will show your accelerating or braking, information like that. If you wish, you can stay here again. Go down again, that's your stationary, so the vehicle is right now is not moving, but because this is a hybrid, it will show your drivetrain on the EV batteries, it's charging or using the battery, things like that. Next one, we have the trip A, so calculating your trip based on how you drive. And we have trip A consumption as well. If you wish to reset, just press and hold OK. Just like that, that's reset to 0. Next, we can go after that, we get range. So range is right now 529 kilometers based on the driving conditions, dynamic range again. If you wish to, once you start driving, this will fluctuate again. And next one, that's the tire pressure monitoring system again. So that's how that works with the right hand screen. In the center, we can also click the home button. Once we go into the home button, we can go left and right. Once we go in left and right, this will show a different display. Right now, this is the vehicle information. And if we go next, that's your music information. On the music information, you can see the FM that's playing. But if it's something else, like your Apple CarPlay or USB or anything, it will show different music source, of course. Click right again, that's your navigation about Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. There's no inbuilt navigation for the New Zealand version, so there's nothing display on the right if it's not showing Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Next one, we have the driving information or driving warning information. Right now, because I'm sitting on the driver's side and I didn't wear a seatbelt, you can see the warning sign. The warning sign just means something's going on. Underneath 1 of 1 just means there's only one warning and we are already checking that warning for us. So that's how that works. And if you have any other warnings, you will need to go left and right in this screen or click OK in this screen. So it go through the warning and let you know what's going on with the warning. And last one is your setting. First thing we can set is overspeed setting. So you can set your speed warning basically. You can manually set by clicking OK and click OK again. So go up and down. Let's say we set at 120 kilometers per hour. We can just go back. That means now we drive over 120k. It's going to give us a ping sound on the dashboard. If you don't want it, go inside again, click OK to take off that overspeed switch. Next one is the driving data. We can change the range. We can see the tire pressure monitoring system, we can see the driving efficiency, energy flow, all those things. If we deselect any of that, it just means when we go back to the home screen, on this screen, it won't show tire pressure monitoring system, or won't show the range, whatever. I don't think you will need to change anything on that. Anyway, let's go back to the settings again. Units, we can adjust the mileage units, fuel to 100 kilometers per hour, or kilometers per liter. That's up to you. Temperature, same thing. You can change to Celsius or degrees. You can change pressure to TSI, PSI, KPA, bars, whatever you like. We're okay at the moment with all the settings. Maintenance mileage, you can see how long you need to go for the maintenance. Case-wise, they're generally 10,000 kilometers for average service. but then after that 15 for each, I believe. Reset driving data, if you want reset, just click hold and you can reset driving data. You can also do factory reset about the screen setting if you wish to. So that's pretty much it. Once you go out, you just have this display. Other buttons on the steering, and we've already done all these, and you can have a start button over here as well. To quickly change the start button, I'll turn the camera around. In the center, the quick way to do it is to go through the drop-down menu. You can also do it under the vehicle setting anyway, so do customer's key. That means you can select one of these to go into one of these. If I select play favorite stations, then now I go here to click this button, and then you can see on the screen, I'll go to the favorite stations. That's pretty much it. Basically, I press this button to do whatever you like in terms of those selections. You can only select one, of course, to see your personal favorites. Next, we have all these buttons on the left. This is to answer the phone call. If someone calls in, you can press single press to answer or long press to cancel if you wish to. M is for mode. You can change different music mode from AM, FM, Bluetooth, USB, whichever is connected. Here, you can use the voice command only when your smartphone is connected with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If nothing is connected, pressing this does not work. So it goes through the phone voice recognition like Siri or Android assistance, but not through the vehicle voice assistance. This button. Up and down is for the volume, left and right is for the track or different radio stations, and here is to mute, basically. So yeah, that's all the steering buttons on the steering and how the dashboard looks like on the H6. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like. That would be really helpful for the channel to grow. As always, I'll see you next video.